interesting thing is that we weren't sure how the house would change. And yes, the house is more modern. The house is a new house now, but it has a lot of the same things that we had before. We've maintained some of the knotty pine. We've got the view of the lake. We've got, it's not a formal house. We're not real formal people, yet it's a very bright and modern house now. And we love it. Thank you. I mean, it's been wonderful.
Welcome back, Mike here with Pratt Remodeling, and I just want to tell you we're finally done with the project. I'm here with Andrea, and she's the architect designer that designed this wonderful place that we just finished up. But Andrea, why don't you go ahead and tell the audience here a little bit about yourself and the company.
Yes, I'm Andrea Hamill-Wallach. I'm one of the founding partners of HW Squared Design and Architecture.
How was your collaboration with Pratt Homes?
Well, it was my first collaboration with you guys, and it went well. We decided that I would sort of stop in the sort of schematic design role, and sort of we got into design development, and then your team took it over to finish doing the construction documents, which is a little unique for the process, but it worked well teaming with you. You guys also have your in-house interior design, so we paused on that, and your team worked with Betsy to finish out the interior of the home. The kitchen cabinets and all the parts and pieces. It was a good experience working with you.
Okay, well, thank you. Well, I hope to do quite a bit more in the near future.
Sounds good.
Thanks for coming in. And so we're here at the end of the process of this fantastic remodel. So tell me, the two of you, is this what you envisioned?
Well, I think it's better than we envisioned, but yes, it's what we envisioned and more. We knew that there was going to be a better view out to the lake, and we're close to the lake, and we only had 2 windows there, so we know it would open up, but it's like amazing to us. We love living here. Well, we always did, but more.
I think that we had worked with the architects and seen it on paper, but when it actually came to life, it exceeded our expectations. The fact that our vision is now up instead of down with that shed roof that we had before, the fact that we put in the stainless steel horizontal railing so you just see right through it to see the lake. It has exceeded our expectations from a design perspective, and the creation in the house has been fantastic. We kind of look at things and say, what didn't we expect when we knew this was coming? And I did not expect the vault to open it up the way it has.
Well, for you, Betsy, the kitchen for you, other than the views, how does that work for you? You've been in here and using it, so tell us.
Yeah, the kitchen works great. We had several cooks in the kitchen at Thanksgiving, and we had 4 people cooking and 1 person sitting kibitzing, my mom sitting around talking to us, and it worked great. And the other kitchen would fit maybe 2 people at the most. And it's beautiful that it's opened up. It looks good. It functions great, and I love it.
Great.
It's worked really well. Yeah.
So tell me, the two of you, did we meet your expectation? Pratt Homes, Pratt Remodeling.
I think that we knew we'd be comfortable with Pratt because of our initial talks, but the collaboration, having the carpenters here who were kind of our new house guests for a few months this summer,
Wow.
It exceeded my expectations.
It was really fun. It was a great process, and it was fun to work with. All the subs were great, and the carpenters, your people, were great, and the people you work with, and everybody knew their job and did their job and consulted us and were respectful and kind, and they were all just great. It was really fun, and I think the finished product is better than we imagined, and working with you guys was awesome.